everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to dye your black fabric that is stained or bleached. Here you can see this was a black shirt that I accidentally bleached. It's not super visible, but unfortunately I can see it, so it annoys me. And this is a beautiful shirt by Lumia, my sleep shirt, and I love it. So I want to fix it, and I got this dye by Dylon. This is the velvet black permanent fabric dye. I bought it on Amazon for around $7, and you get a big package. We're not gonna use the whole package for this small stain. Okay, what you will need. You will obviously need this, and I'm gonna link it down below in the description box. You will also need a bowl or a mug. I here have a ceramic bowl. You need table salt, and you need gloves. You can also use latex or plastic gloves and some kind of protection for your table, so you won't dye your table accidentally. I do have a black table, so I don't really care, but I also brought this just in case. And you also need a teaspoon. Okay, so let me put my gloves first on. Actually, no, it's so uncomfortable to cut in gloves. Okay, so first let's open this up. This is what it looks like, and we need 2 heaping teaspoons. Not even too much. Honestly, this smells. 1, 2. Now salt, and make sure not to put your spoon with your dye into the salt. So use a fresh spoon or 2 teaspoons of salt. And now you can mix it up. Here you can see the salt anymore because it's all mixed with the dye. And now you just need warm water, again the same amount, so 2 heaping teaspoons. Okay, so I added some water. I think I accidentally put too much. It's pretty thick. When I first started, it was very liquidy, so it's all melting nicely, and the color is like blue. It's a nasty stain. And you can use it on different fabrics, this dye. I'm using it on silk, but you can use it on cotton, linen, and yeah, let's do it. As you can see, it's soaking through the fabric, so it's good that we have some protection here. Make sure that the stain is nicely saturated. You can use a brush. It's a little easier with the brush, but if you don't have it, you can just use a spoon. And now we're gonna leave this to soak for around 40 to 60 minutes, and then we're gonna come back to it. Okay, so here is our stain. You can see that it's pretty much dry here, so I'm gonna wash it off with cold water now.